Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. If you like to use WhatsApp dark mode, just follow me. One of most beautiful update is a WhatsApp dark mode. It's officially released. You need to update WhatsApp to last version. After update WhatsApp, you can simply add dark mode to WhatsApp from WhatsApp setting. If you don't have this option after update WhatsApp, I have uploaded WhatsApp dark mode app file in the video description. Is it working good? Just give a comment. Thank you watching us.